Hare Krishna everyone, and welcome to this third tutorial video on the Learning Kartal series. So in the previous two videos, what we have learned? We have learned how the background about the Kartal, okay, and then we learned how we can hold Kartal, and the first slow beat, which is we call as 3 beat, that we learned, okay, how we can play that with Kartal. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how we can play this in the proper tune. Okay, so what we are going to do, so basically playing kartal is game of time, meaning although we know that there are 3 beats, 1 2 3 1 2 3, but that is the rhythm. Okay, so if you see, rhythm means the pattern is 3, but most important is laya. So laya means what is the distance between the 3 beats. Okay, 1 2 and 2 and 3, what is the distance between them, that is called as laya. So in today's tutorial video, what we will do, Srila Prabhupada's special tune which is there, with that tune we will try to sing this mantra while playing the kartal on the 3 beats, and we will see how we can play that in 3 different laya. Okay, previously if you remember in the mridanga course we have learned 3 layas. Okay, one laya, the slowest one, is called as vilambita laya. Okay, then there is madhyama laya, little faster, then there is a dhrita laya. Dhrita means fast. Okay, so 3 laya we will try to play, and just try to uh, you know in your mind also try to understand how the speed is increasing and how the 3 beats I am playing on the kartal. Okay, that you can try to analyze. Okay, so how to hold, already we have learned in the previous video, you can watch that. Okay, like this, then put both the thumbs like this. Okay, let's start. So first I'm going to show vilambita laya. Okay, so 3 bits are, for your information I will show again: 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, that's now. Let's see how we can play the Srila Prabhupada tune in the vilambita laya. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Okay, this is vilambit laya. Very slow we tried to play. Now we will try to increase the speed little bit. Tempo we will try to increase. Okay. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Okay, please try to analyze the distance. Okay, the difference between the vilambita and madhyama. Now let's try to play fast. Okay, which is called as dhrita. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Got it? So please try to play kartal and practice in all these 3 types of laya: vilambita, madhyama, and dhrita. Okay, because that will only go to train your mind to play. This 3 beat is very simple. What is there? 1 2 3, 1 2 3. What is most important is, based on the laya and rhythm of the laya, rhythm is same 1 2 3. Based on the laya of the kirtan, you are able to apply that in the kirtan. That is most important. So please try to train your mind by hearing different types of simple Hare Krishna tune on which we can play 3 beats, and try to play that same tune in different laya. One example, I will give one more example. Okay, let's try to play with this kirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Got it? What I played? Vilambita Laya. Let's try to play with the Madhyama Laya. Now I will sing, you try to match yourself, then I will add my kartals. Okay. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Okay, let's try to play in the fast. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Okay, so this is how you can try to practice with different tunes, and try to differentiate one tune you take and try to practice in 3 layas. Now I have shown you 2 examples. I will give you one homework which you can do at home. Take your kartal and try to practice 3 laya, Vilambita, Madhyama and Dhrita on this tune. What is that tune? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Dhrita. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So I am not showing the kartal how to play. You have to figure out based on the 2 examples which we learned now. Okay. So Hare Krishna, please keep practicing. Next video we will try to learn the transition mantra, okay, or the transition beat. Okay. Hare Krishna.